job opportunity in Dubai. Are you an experienced assembly technician with a passion for precision and quality workmanship? If so, we have an exciting job opportunity for you. We are currently hiring assembly technicians in Dubai with expertise in threaded and flanged pipe assembly, pipe insulation, and leak testing. As an assembly technician, you will play a crucial role in the projects. Your responsibilities will include assembling threaded and flanged pipes, applying insulation, and conducting leak tests to ensure safety and integrity. To excel in this role, you should have an ITI or diploma in a relevant field. Previous experience in threaded and flanged pipe assembly is a must. You should be adept at reading technical drawings and possess strong problem-solving skills. Salary AED 1200 to 1600 depending on qualifications and experience. Apart from the salary, candidates will receive 3 times food, accommodation, transportation, laundry, and Wi-Fi. If you are ready to take on this exciting opportunity and contribute to our commitment to excellence in pipe assembly, we want to hear from you. Apply today by sending your resume and relevant qualifications to jobs@mplobal.com or contact us for more information. Subscribe now and follow MMPL for new job opportunities. Thanks for watching.